Howdy peeps, still here, still at the river. Thought I'd give you a bit of a look at the regrowth from last year's fire. It takes a while for nature to come back, but it comes back. You know, it's a shame. This bush was pretty bloody thick, and as you see, it's just fucking flattened and torched. You can imagine all the animals that suffered. Yeah, here we are. Probably 12 months on, I'm guessing. Pretty close. And it's all come back. It's getting there. They grow back strong, you bugger. Nice big rock there. That looks cool. Big rock. Very cool. Yeah. You know, you love nature, you gotta admire this sort of stuff, and you just get behind it and pray for it to grow back. I mean, look how much regrowth is there. It's amazing. It's still 12 months on, and it's not a lot though, but she'll be nice in winter. She'll get there. I love me bush, eh? I love it a lot. Yeah, it's just bloody sad, isn't it? Not even the rocks are getting shade anymore. Not that they need it, but yeah, that poor bugger is just dead. Ones around him growing back. Hey, the regrowth. It's amazing. Dead trees either side of this, and that one's growing. Yeah. Lovely river just there. That side didn't look like it got touched so much. But this side, yeah, really copped it. When I go up the road a bit more, you'll see where it was burnt pretty bad. Alright, peace out, people.